My name is John Hillier, and I would like to introduce the concept of foundational visualization for rapid development. What we're looking at here is the ability to create a base visualization which could stand on its own, looking at a particular domain that goes far and above what would be considered a typical bar chart or pie chart or any of the more basic types of visualizations out there. Our goal here is to be able to create a base visualization that can stand on its own, that you can tell stories about, but then is easily extended to tell new stories. So as we look at this base visualization, there is a lot of information that can be gleaned just from the base visualization, both looking at it, in this case, the financials by company and the financials per employee. So there's a lot of different stories that could be told just using the base visualization. Now, let's say I want to extend this base visualization. I could add a whole new set of visualizations in conjunction with the base visualization. So as I was navigating with the base visualization before, I can navigate also, but this time we see changes in the upper set of bar graphs as well as the lower set, which represents percentage of revenue margins for each of the companies ordered that way. So as we look at gross profit in orange here, LinkedIn has the highest percentage gross profit as a percentage of revenue of all the companies out there. However, Apple has the highest gross profit. So we're able to tell two stories in one set of graphs here, again, by extending a base visualization. We have another way we can look at this. Let's say we wanted to ask, how much would it cost to pay $100,000 more to every employee in each of these companies? So we're looking to say, how much would it cost and which company could support paying $100,000 more to each employee in their company? By doing this, we did a simple transformation of looking at the pre-tax income and the total number of employees. So looking at by company, Amazon, it would cost the most because they have the most people working for them. Now, if we go down to looking at it per employee, how much would it cost to pay $100,000 more per employee for each of these companies? Now we have a very different view using the same data again, but this time we have listings for Google that would cost 30% of their pre-tax income to pay every employee in their company $100,000 more per year in salary. For Facebook and Apple, it would only cost 20%. For LinkedIn, Salesforce, and Amazon, they don't have sufficient income to do that. So what this shows is who is more competitive out there and who has the ability to attract the best talent. And again, this was a simple transformation with a simple addition adding on to the base visualization. And that is the primary goal of putting together a base or foundational visualization, is to be able to create a rich data visualization that can stand on its own, yet allows for easy addition with different variations. In this case, looking at a salary question. In this case, looking at it, comparing revenue margins. This is a model for how we can create more rapid visualizations by setting up a base visualization regardless of domain. In this case, we chose financials, but you could pick any domain you want, take a rich data set within that domain, create a base visualization, and then be able to extend it with variations on that. This will allow for far more rapid visualization, and it will also allow an ability to develop familiarity with particular visualizations. So if it's fairly complex, the user doesn't have to get up to speed every time they see this. They'll become familiar with it. And that would be the real power of foundational Viz for rapid development. Thank you very much. And this is John Hillier.